So this is the final part, the third part of the Facebook ads training, and I hope you like it, and I would very much appreciate your feedback and any areas of improvement, and you can contact me at my personal email daudkhan254@gmail.com. Thank you. So after you're done with this, you'll see that now you can create your ad. Now this is the ad where you'll be creating the post. You can name this. So this is the first ad that I'll be creating, and you'll also have to choose the Facebook page. So one thing that I forgot to mention is that you also have to you need to have a Facebook page in order to advertise your uh, in order to advertise your posts. So you need to have a Facebook page. It is very easy to create a Facebook page. I'm sure everyone must have created a page at some point in time. So you need to have a page. You can select from a wide variety of pages, and once you do that, you can select the existing posts that you have, or you can create an ad from scratch. So you can use, there are many options that you can have. You can have the most commonly used ad that people have. There is a video or a single picture, and there is text at the head of it. So you can have a collection of it. Let's suppose that you have many images, or you have many videos, then you can use this option. And this carousel option is simply the scrollable images and videos. You must have seen them, but for this tutorial I'll recommend to go with single image or video. So in initial stages, I recommend that you only use this feature, and once you've gotten the use of it, you know how to create ads, then you can move on to these other options. We'll leave this as it is. Now after you're done with this, you'll have to add the media, the images, and we'll click on add image. You can add images from your computer, or you can use the stock images that they have. They're free. So we'll simply pick any image that we have and click on continue. So this is the image that we have, and you can see that you'll have the preview over here. So this is how it will be looking in the mobile news feed. Your ad, this is the Facebook page. This is going to be your headline, the URL, your website link to where the user is going to be, and this is the link description, and this is your call to action. So you can see the your ad preview in the desktop newsfeed. This is how it is going to look in the desktop newsfeed. You can see this in the articles, the right column on Facebook. This is how it is going to look. So these are basically the previews you can see. Now this is the primary text. So I'll just name this. So now you can see that after writing this, you can see this over here. So this is the most important headline or the most important text that you can add over here. It should be catchy, it should be precise, it should be something that as soon as the user looks at it and he knows what that ad is about, and it should be compelling that user to click on that ad or engage with that ad. So this is very important, and this should not be very lengthy. It should be to the point, precise, so that the customer knows what the ad is about. Now this is the headline, and it is optional. You can use this, and or you can opt to, this is where the headline will come. So the headline is also very important. You can add anything that you would like, anything important. It should be short, it shouldn't be too long. And but I'll recommend that you use this headline. You should add something important over here. So after this is the description. This is going to be the description. So this is where the description will come. Now the description should be short, or a short summary of what let's suppose if it's an article, then it should be a short summary of that article, and what that article is going to be about. So now this is the destination. If it's a website, then you can simply name this the website URL that you have, and it will be that link to where it is going to be sent to. So, and this is the website URL. And if you want your let's suppose that your website URL has is like if it's an article and it's a long post, then this is how it's going to look. So this is how it's going to look. But if you want to add the display link over here, if this is going to be in the background, so the user will not see it. So in the background, this is the URL that is going to be that is going to work. But in the front end, this is what the user is going to see. So let's suppose you want to set this to google.com/free. So this is what the user will see. But as soon as he clicks on this link, he'll be taken to this page. This is basically done so that uh, if you have a very large link, big link, then and if you want them to simply be sent to a shorter one, and if you just want to grab their attention, then you can use this display link. Now this is the call to action. There are various call to actions that you have. If you don't want to have any button, you can click on that. But I'll recommend that you have the use a call to action. And let's suppose if you have a download something to download, then you can have the download one. You can have learn more. You can have contact us. There are many call to actions that you can use. So you can see this here. It says download. Now you can leave the languages as it is. So and for this also we'll leave the tracking. We'll just simply, now once you're done everything, you'll simply click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, the ad is going to be sent for review to the Facebook compliance and ad team. And it probably takes some 24 to 48 hours to approve that ad. And once it has been approved, you can check the status of that ad over here. Click on ads manager. Click on ads manager, and so well, my battery is running low. We're almost done over here. So when you create an ad, when you've created that ad and it has been approved, then you can check the performance of that ad over here. So the name of that ad, let's suppose if this is the name of that ad, then you can see the details for it. You can see the budget that you have allocated to it, and the results that you have. So this is basically the reach. The reach is the number of people who saw your advert, and the impressions is if they have simply hovered over it. So if this is your ad, if this box is your ad, and if someone has simply hovered over the mouse, then it will be counted as an impression. It can be an impression can be twice. So if I can hover this 3 times, then it will be counted 3 times this impression. And cost per result is the cost that you have per engagement. So this was a post that I had promoted, and it was based on the number of messages that I have. So I got 2320 results, the post engagements, and I spent around 2000 rupees in our currency. So the cost per result was 0.86 rupees. per engagement that I spent, and the total amount was 2000 rupees. And the relevance score is basically the higher your relevance score, the more it is better. So if it's a very low relevance score, then there must be something in your ad that you're not doing right. So the relevance score must be the higher, above 7. Now the frequency is simply the number of times a person has been shown this email. So if this 1.3 means that a user has been shown 1.3 times that ad. And these are the number of clicks that the total number of clicks that I've received on my post. So I'll be leaving out all these other details, the post reactions and the post shares that we've gotten. All these are basically not very important metrics. In this basic tutorial, I'll just be giving you a brief tutorial of how you have to create your ad and how you can monitor their statistics. So this was how to create an ad, and this was basically a very basic tutorial. So in order to show you how you can create a very basic ad for your business, for your website. And with time, with creating ads, with creating different with playing around these settings, you tend to uh, learn things as you start doing these things. So that's it for this Facebook ads training. I hope you liked it, and I would very much appreciate your feedback. And you can contact me personally at daudkhan254 at gmail.com, and you can tell me about the feedback on any areas of improvement. So that's it for today. Thank you.